Hello, I am Chef Johnny Morgano, Colonel at the Southern Italian Personal Chef Service. Welcome to my unsolicited fried chicken tutorial. Start with our seasoning. We have here the 11 herbs and spices, starting with number 1, 2 teaspoons of salt, half a tablespoon of dried thyme, half a tablespoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of celery salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 2 tablespoons of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, and 1 tablespoon of white pepper. Now adding about 5 tablespoons of our 11 herbs and spices to 4 cups of all-purpose flour. A little whisk. For our wet mixture, we have 2 cups of milk and 4 eggs. And 1 tablespoon of sriracha. And now we're taking our chicken 1 piece at a time, going into the flour, milk and egg, back to the flour, and then onto a tray. And drop in all of our chicken legs, one at a time. 325 for 18 minutes. Chicken thighs. After 18 minutes, they should come out looking about like that. Move with some sea salt. Our chicken breast going in for 15 minutes at 325. 15 minutes later, should come out looking about like that. Hit it with your salt. Now we taste. That is juicy. I know some of you have had a bad experience at KFC, but don't doubt the 11 herbs and spices. Mmm.